Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I'm giving you guys sea vibes, sea realness, you know what I'm saying, ocean vibes, ocean gang, you feel me? I wanted to do this blue look because, well, first I never really did a blue look outside of like high school, and you know, as explained in this video, I wasn't feeling my best self, so I was like, hey, I'm feeling blue, might as well do blue. So if you guys want to see this, just keep on watching. I had got some eyeshadows out my like little makeup stores thing, some old MAC shadow, so it's pretty much gonna be like a little MAC video. So yeah, let's get started. So the first product we're gonna be using is the MAC Frost eyeshadow, and I think it's Patina. This right here, and I'm just gonna use a big brush like this, the Eco Tools brush. Just pretty much sweep that like all on my crease. I already primed my lid. Somebody will be texting me. It's a frosty type of shade. I didn't really want a matte shade since I'm going to be using a variety of mattes and other type of finishes. So I just really want a light transition color. I didn't want nothing too close to my foundation shade or my skin tone. I decided to do a blue look, like I said, because I'm just not feeling my best. This week hasn't been the best. Like, I should be excited because I'm going out the country, but I don't know. It's been some obstacles that I've been going through by myself, and I don't know. It's just a lot on my plate right now. You know, it's just too much on my plate. So yeah, I was just like, you know, what's the best thing to do when you're just in a funk? Might as well do something therapeutic, as in doing your makeup. So yeah, here we are. So the next product we're going to use is this MAC eyeshadow in Electric Eel. It's a satin finish, and I'm going to use the E38 Sigma brush. Just basically go around with that and just put this on top of the transition shade, just so I can have like a, you know, a little aqua type of, you know, look. This is a beautiful color, but it's a little patchy, but it's okay because I just need it as a wash to put on top of my other colors. And we're gonna go in the corner of my eye, kind of brush it up too. So the next thing I'm gonna do is use this beautiful blue in the color what is it, Deep Truth. These are so old that it's like damn near scratched off in the back, but yeah, it's like a beautiful, I think it's a, what is it, a frost? Yeah, it's a frost, and it's just so pretty. I always love this color. I was wearing this in high school, and I'm just like, what the fuck do I look like wearing this dark blue in high school? But it was just so pretty, and it's just, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna put this in my outer corner, my outer V, and I'm gonna blend it out too. So I'm using this Urban Decay eyeshadow brush. I know a lot of people, they don't like using like palettes eyeshadow brushes, but I love them because I feel like they be really good, you know. So I'm just gonna put this out here just to deepen up the crease a little bit. As you can see, let's put it on my outer V, so I can go in with this blue look. So I'm gonna blend this out with the Sigma E25 Sigma brush. To be honest, y'all, I'm pretty much using the same brushes I've been using for a minute. I have a lot of makeup, but I'm not like makeup, you know, hoarder type shit. Like, I don't got, you know what I'm saying, I don't have, you know, the regular YouTubers makeup closet and shit. Like, I do got a lot of makeup for the average person, but I ain't, you know, I ain't up there yet. So I'm trying to build my makeup stuff. Yeah, like, I've had makeup since like for a long time. So I've been using it. Like, I buy a lot of Fenty stuff, of course, like that's my new shit, but I don't have like all types of, you know, closets and closets of shit. So y'all go see me, you know what I'm saying, using the same brushes. They be clean though, they be clean though. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this right here. I think it's C, and I'm gonna put it on top of like the crease just as like a little wash. So just to give it like a little, you know, brightness. Just blend it out too. This is super random. It's super random. I was just like, I need like a blue look, like a fat ass blue tutorial, you know, because I don't know, y'all. It's just, I don't know, like, I don't know. I just be feeling like sometimes the world just be on my shoulders. Like I be just going through stuff that nobody just understand and just be pissing me off because, you know, like I said, thousands of people can call me about anything they want and vent to me and do this and that, but I just feel like if I call somebody for help or if I call somebody for anything, like, you know, it's, oh, like, I don't know, like, I don't know how to describe it. Maybe I just don't want to hear what people got to say. I want to hear what I want to hear, you know what I'm saying? Like, anyway, let's just get back to the tutorial. So I'm going to blend my outer V out with the same E38 brush. Just blend it. And no, I'm not about to do a cut crease. This is all just gonna be different shades of blues. Like, am I the only one who's tired of seeing cut creases? Like, they're nice, but it's just I see cut creases every time I'm on YouTube. Like, damn, like what's wrong with just mixing pigments together and just blending them and just, you know what I'm saying? I'm not throwing shade. Well, I mean, it might be shade. I don't really care. But like, I'm just really sick of seeing crease cuts, like, and it's just, I don't know, like, I'm just not to cut crease no more. Maybe because I got a mastermind, so I'm low-key hating a little bit. But like, I don't know, I'm just sick of seeing that shit. But anyway, so the next thing I'm gonna do is spray my Eco Tools brush, and I'm gonna go into the same Sea and Sky eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna put that put this on my lid. Yeah, my lid's kind of wrinkly, so I be having to like damn near push my whole face up to get it to where it's, you know, supposed to be. And spray it again. So the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go into my Naked Smoky palette, and I'm gonna use this shade and Smolder. It's like this indigo type of shade, and I'm just gonna like line my eye like in the middle, like just a little bit. I don't want to take away from the color on my lid because I feel like it's beautiful, but I'm just gonna, you know, put that on there. So I'm gonna go back in with Sky and just put this back on my lid. I don't want to do too much because I did just put that, just line it a little bit with the Smolder eyeshadow from the Naked palette. And I want it to be a little bit, you know, just a little bit more crisp. Bring some brightness to my eyes. So I'm gonna go off camera and just put some mascara and some lashes on, then I'll be right back. So yeah, I just put on some lashes. It's the same ones I used in my last video. I do want to try those, the Kisses Faux Mink lashes. I have a couple pairs, but I think they came out with some new ones, so I'm going to try those out. But yeah, so I'm going to just be highlighting and bronzing up my face, and then we're pretty much done. So far I've been really liking this Maybelline concealer. I feel like it blends out really well. I do still want to try out the Fenty. Well, yeah, it's blending out really well. I don't think I ever tried it. Well, actually, no, I think I did try it before when it first came out, but I think I got like a really light shade. It was super light, and I'm like, what a flip am I going out looking like this? Then, like always, I'm gonna take the Radiant Creamy Concealer by NARS in the color Amande, just to like even out my highlight. I feel like it's a little bit too bright. Like I said, I don't really like a super bright look. I do like it to be, you know, bright, but I don't like it to be, you know, looking like I'm a ghost and shit, because I ain't no motherfucking ghost. I'm kind of feeling this blue look. It kind of reminds me of Time the Infamous. Like, I remember when she used to always do these, well, she still do, but she used to like when I first started watching YouTube, she was doing these crazy eyeshadow looks, and I'm just like, girl, the patience that you have to blend all that shit out is crazy. But it used to look so good, like so good. She's another favorite of mine as far as YouTube. Yeah. Oh, also, you guys, I am doing the Sephora Squad. So I'm gonna link my testimony page in the description box, because you know, I don't know, I really want the support, of course, but I don't know, I just feel like, you know, I'm doing something out of the box. When I first seen it, I was creeping on Twitter on somebody page. I think it was somebody makeup page, I don't know, and they was like, should I do the Sephora Squad, blah blah, and I'm like, what the hell is this? So I had clicked on it, and I was like, damn. So like, I think I was talking to one of my friends, and I'm just like, damn girl, should I do this? And she was like, hell yeah, like why not? You know what I'm saying? Why not? And I'm like, okay, well shit, let's get to it. So I did fill out an application. I'm gonna link it in the description box, and you know, if you guys have anything to say, you know what I'm saying, nice about me. I know I'm pretty new on YouTube, I know I'm pretty fresh, but I don't know, I do love Sephora, and I do love, you know, their makeup brands and just everything. Of course, you know, I'm a Fenty fanatic. Who isn't? Yeah, so I would appreciate if you guys would just click on the link in the description box and say a little testimony about me. Next thing I'm gonna do is use the Bobbi Brown translucent, what is it called again, the sheer finish loose powder in the color golden orange, and just put the powder on the highlighted areas. Going back on my eyes, I'm gonna use the shade excuse me, Electric Eel, and put that, just swipe it with the Sigma E45 brush, and just put it on my lower lash line. Then I'm gonna use the Naked Smoky palette. Sorry, yeah, the Smoky palette, and I'm gonna go back in with the violet blue type of shade, the indigo type of shade, and Smolder, and I'm gonna put that in like the inner corners, just so we could all go together. I'm gonna put it in my inner, and then in the middle too. Then with the same palette, I'm gonna use Armor just to highlight my inner corners. Just to bring it all together. So I put some mascara on my bottom lash. I'm just gonna dust off the excess powder using the Sigma F37 brush. I might do this look in Paris. Yeah, so I am going out the country. If I didn't mention that in this video or any other videos, I'm going out the country. I'm going to Amsterdam and Paris. I'll be going on the 6th of March for my friend's birthday, Nami. You'll see her. It's gonna be so fun. I can't wait. Like, I'm so happy that I'm just taking a break from everything, because like, I don't know. Let's carry on. So I just got pissed off again because my NARS Casino bronzer just broke. I mean, I know I can fix it, but damn, like, when did this happen? Ugh. The next thing I'm gonna use is the MAC SunPower bronzer, and just top that off because it wasn't giving me life. I want some pretty bronzy. Then to highlight, I'm gonna use the Sigma F35 brush, and I'm gonna use the Bobbi Brown what is this? The Bronze Glow Highlighter. Put that on the bridge of my nose. What I like about this is it doesn't like pick up so much texture, because I have a decent amount of texture within my skin. But the texture, like, I don't really mind it that much because I always put some Fix Plus on and it kind of like smooths it out a little bit. I'm gonna put it on the temple too. Put it on my Cupid's bow. Put it on my chin. I know a lot of people make fun of YouTubers because they put hella highlighter on their face, and I'm one of those bitches. And the next thing I'm gonna do is just spray my face. I'm using a Max Fix Plus. And lastly, I'm gonna put on my lip products. So I'm gonna line my lips with the Whirl lip liner. This is my favorite lip liner aside from Spice. This is more so my winter / spring nude pencil, and Spice is like my summer pencil. I'm just gonna line my lips. And I have pretty dark lips, so it helps define it. Like I could just wear this by itself with like a clear gloss and I'll be straight. But for today, I'm not gonna do that. Then I'm gonna top it off with Fresh Brew by MAC. It's like this. It's a, what is it? A luster, and it's like pretty nudish, beautiful shade. To top it off, I'm going to use this lip gloss in Broken Halo. It's like a silver iridescent type of shade, and I'm just putting it on like the center of my lips. And just, you know. Yep. Well, this is the final look, you guys. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this, watching my tutorials, being there for me. As I stated before, I just wanted to do a blue look because I wasn't feeling my best self, and I just felt like it would be more therapeutic to just, you know, do my makeup. You feel me? You know. Yeah, it's just been one of those days, and you know, hopefully it gets better. It will get better. I'm always, you know, optimistic on these situations, but like I said, I am human, so you know, yeah. But like I said, thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys be blessed and stay beautiful.